Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings because that centralizes wallpaper options. Right-click the desktop or press Win+I to open Settings fast, then navigate to Personalization and Background. Once there, choose Background type, Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow. Pick Picture to set a single image or slideshow for rotating images. Slideshow saves space and changes mood. Make sure your images are accessible in Pictures or a folder. This prevents browsing delays when you add them. Now proceed to select the specific image file. Now you'll pick the exact image and how it displays. Click Browse to locate your file or a folder for slideshows. Windows accepts JPG, PNG, BMP. Once selected, Choose a Fit to control scaling. Fill crops to cover, Fit preserves full image, span stretches across multiple monitors. If colors or composition look off, edit the image resolution or crop it first. That ensures sharpness and correct framing. Once you like the preview, apply it and check each monitor to confirm consistent results. You're at the finish line. Click Save Changes and the desktop should update immediately. If it doesn't, make sure Windows Sync or a third-party app isn't overriding your setting. Disable conflicting apps, then retry. Once done, if the wallpaper still won't apply, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in. This reloads the shell. One key troubleshooting tip. Check storage sense and folder permissions so Windows can access the image. Fixing access often restores wallpaper functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.